Friends, welcome to this session, English Lesson 2, Part 5. In English Lesson 2, Part 5, exercise based on Rule 23 and 24 are given here. In this exercise, friends, you have to correct the following sentences. There are 1 to 15 number sentences where the verbs are not correct one. So as you studied and understood the Rule 23 and 24, based on those rules, you have to choose the you have to make the correction in the verb given here, which are in red color. And answers are also given for all these 1 to 15 sentences below for your convenience and understanding. So please try to solve yourself first. If if you face any difficulty, then uh, go through the rule 23 and 24 and then do the exercise accordingly. Okay, now we move to our next slide, slide number 3. Now in today's session, friends, we are going to study rule 25 and 26. Here the rule 25, hyphenated expressions, singular noun repeated after preposition. There are some expressions in which the same singular noun is repeated after a certain preposition. For instance, wave after wave, ship after ship, brick upon brick, row upon row, which such expressions singular verb is used here. कुछ ऐसे भाव होते हैं जिनमें एक निश्चित पूर्वसर्ग के बाद वही एक वचन संज्ञा दोहराई जाती है। उदाहरण के लिए लहर के बाद लहर, जहाज के बाद जहाज, ईंट पर ईंट, पंक्ति दर पंक्ति ऐसे भावों के साथ एक वचन क्रिया का उपयोग किया जाता है। सो फ्रेंड्स, हियर आर एग्जांपल्स which are covered for rule 25 given below. So you go through these four examples, you will be able to understand rules uh, clarity and its principle. Example number 1, ship after ship arrives here, wave after wave follows, brick upon brick is laid, shot after shot was heard. So friends, I hope you will understand this rule 25 here with these examples given. Uh, and now we move to our next slide, slide number 4. Now friends, coming to English lesson 2 part 5, slide 4. Here the rule 26 is covered. 26, verb to be plus complement. The verb to be means or consists of am, is, are, was, were, has, have and had. These verbs always take a complement after them. The complement cannot be subject of the verb to be. The subject comes before the verb to be and complement comes after it. In all such sentences, the verb should be used according to the subject and not according to the complement of the verb to be. क्रिया होना का अर्थ है इस इसमें या इसमें शामिल है हूँ, है, था, है और था। ये क्रियाएं हमेशा उनके बाद एक पूरक लेती है। यह पूरक क्रिया होना का विषय नहीं हो सकता। विषय क्रिया होना से पहले आता है, उसके बाद पूरक आता है। ऐसे सभी वाक्यों में क्रिया का प्रयोग विषय के अनुसार होना चाहिए, न कि क्रिया होना के पूरक के अनुसार। So friends, examples of under rule 16 are given below. It is I. In bracket, the wrong sentence is given, which is not a correct one. That is, it am I, which is not a correct one. It is I, that is a correct one. It is they, and in the bracket which is given, it are they is not a correct one. So it is they is the correct one. It is my students who won the match. It are my students. This is not the correct one. Here it is my student who won the match is the correct sentence. Example number 4, my great hope is my sons. Example number 5. Here the greatest danger is the wildlife animals. Okay, please try to read once, twice, thrice Rule 26 and try to understand the principles of Rule 26. And through the examples given below will make you more understandable about this rule. So we move to our next slide, slide number 5. So friends, in slide 5, exercise based on rule 25 and 26. Given, choose the correct alternative verb in the following sentences. In there are 1 to 10 sentences. In each sentences, uh, two verbs are given, but you have to choose the correct one. And answers for this 1 to 10 sentences are given below for your convenience and understanding. So try to read and understand the rule 25 and 26 and then try to solve this exercise given or based on rule 25 or 26. There are 1 to 10 sentences. So I hope you will be able to solve these uh, questions effectively and fast. So we will meet in our next session tomorrow. Thank you all. Thank you very much. So friends, if you like it, press like button. If you like this educational channel, please subscribe it to receive everyday video. Please subscribe and also share with your nearer and dearer one. Thank you all. Thank you very much.